King Asa's reign from 2995 to 3036 encompassed 41 years of leadership, which is distinguished in the annals of the southern kingdom of Judah for his dedication to religious reforms and the pursuit of peace and stability. His tenure is particularly notable for efforts to rid Judah of idolatry and to restore the worship of Yahweh, reflecting a return to the devout practices attributed to his forebears. Asa's reign, concluding in the sixth week of the 62nd Jubilee cycle, marks a period of significant spiritual renewal and political consolidation in the history of Judah. At the outset of his reign, Asa took decisive steps to purge Judah of the idols and high places that had proliferated during the reigns of his predecessors. He removed the altars of foreign gods and cut down the Asherah poles, which were associated with the Canaanites' religion. Asa's reforms extended to even his own family, notably deposing his grandmother Makkah from her position as queen mother due to her involvement in idolatrous practices. This act underscored his commitment to the eradication of idolatry and the restoration of a centralized worship of Yahweh in Jerusalem. Asa's dedication to religious reform was matched by his efforts to fortify Judah against external threats. He strengthened the defenses of key cities and built up a formidable army, preparing the kingdom for potential conflicts. These measures proved crucial when Judah faced invasion from the Cushite ruler Zerah, who led a vast army against Judah. Asa's reliance on divine aid, coupled with strategic military preparedness, resulted in a remarkable victory for Judah at the Battle of Mareshah, as recorded in the biblical narrative. This victory not only secured Judah's safety, but also reinforced Asa's position as a divinely favored ruler. Beyond his military achievements, Asa's reign is characterized by efforts to renew the covenant between God and the people of Judah. He convened a major assembly in Jerusalem, where the people reaffirmed their commitment to worship only Yahweh. This covenant renewal ceremony, which included sacrifices and celebrations, highlighted Asa's role in leading a spiritual revival in Judah. However, Asa's reign was not without its challenges. In the later years of his rule, Judah faced hostilities from the northern kingdom of Israel, leading Asa to seek assistance from the Arameans, a decision that the prophet Hanani criticized as a lack of faith in God's protection. This incident marked a blemish in Asa's otherwise commendable record of trust in divine guidance. Moreover, Asa's final years were marred by health issues, as he suffered from a severe foot disease. Despite this personal affliction, the biblical accounts emphasize that his reign was largely successful in steering Judah towards a period of religious fidelity and relative peace. Upon Asa's passing in the sixth week of the 62nd Jubilee, he left behind a legacy of devout leadership and reform that would set a standard for future kings of Judah. His commitment to the elimination of idolatry and the reinforcement of Judah's defenses ensured the kingdom's prosperity and spiritual integrity during his 4-decade rule.